Hello everybody, Melissa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my design team project for Studio 28E Journal Creations. I used Elegant Edwardian Ladies of Color and Nana's Linen Closet. So you can see the links here. They will be down below in the description box. Alright, let's take a peek. So if you've watched my videos, you know I absolutely love Reader's Digest books, and I love to use them whether I take off the covers, tear them apart, or I use the cover as a whole. This particular one I used the cover as a whole, but I did cover it. So the signatures are sewn in, but they are covered. Piece of lace, eyelet lace, and this beautiful Reader's Digest cover, which I just love them, all their different patterns. So very cool. On the front, I've layered gauze and laces and just a linen doily and some more crochet and some fabric flowers. And this is actually an earring of my mother's. And there was only one, so I'm not sure whatever happened to the other one, but I did save this one, and we're going to use this one on this journal as the center of the flower. Under here I've got another bit of some kind of a trim and different bits of lace and some pearls, and this is from an old pearl necklace. On the very bottom is a shiny little rhinestone. If I can get it to turn, there we go. This little bit of lace has little tiny rhinestones. It's very pretty. A little bit of shiny bling. Okay, on to the inside. The cover is attached with just a clip and seam binding. Actually, I think this is hem. I'm not quite sure, but that's okay. I have 4 signatures here, and you can see I've edged everything in lace. There's a few dangles here, some pearls. I used the pockets from the kits on the inside cover, and I did edge them with a little bit of lace. Here's one of the journaling cards. I sewed around and used one of the other pages as backing. And each of the signatures with the digital papers, there's going to be 4 pockets. So there's the center and then the outside, if I can get to it. And I made those into pockets. And the first one has a bit of a ribbon banner. We'll go over this first. This is a velvet bookmark. It's added to the book. This is a ribbon banner. One of the words from the kit, Follow Your Dreams, that was from the Edwardian Ladies kit. And pocket again, that one's empty. Belly band with some paper ribbon and some seam binding sewn on. Note cards. This is from Nana's closet, linen closet. Just a little journaling spot. Those tuck in there. I also used my own tea stain paper and one of my favorite stamps. Another page from the kit, and backed it with the lined paper. And here is the center of the signature. In this pocket is just a plain index card with paper doily, stamp, and a bit of lace. I thought it went well because it matched the bird. This is one of the pockets, and the word and embellishment from the kit. This was one of the collage papers. Sherri had created a whole page that was all collaged, and I did cut quite a few little journaling spots from this paper. And this is one of the tags. Added a little bit of gauze and a butterfly. And this this one's empty. Very pretty girl. I made several fabric flips, different types of fabrics that they might have used in their, oh, that one's sewn down, in their clothing. This is one of the embellishments, and I added glossy accents to it to make it a little shiny. And this is just a journaling card. I had this in my own stash, just bonnets. And a floral die cut and a bit of lace for a pocket. In this pocket, this is from Nana's Linen Closet. And I believe that was a collaboration between Sherri Czmyr and Sherri Brown. That's the first signature. The second signature, a bit of embroidered, why does the word escape me? I don't understand why does that happen, ladies? The word completely escapes me. It's just embroidered lace. The word elegance on there, and again, this is a pocket. This is one of the embellishments. I turned it into a pocket, and I used, in the kit, there are several pieces of like tape, and I printed it out on clear sticker paper. Here's another one of the journaling cards made out of that collage with a little whale tail tab and a label. This is two of the die cuts, the flower and then the vase, and I put them together for this little corner here. This is one of the digital papers I cut down and added this picture, which is in the kit, and a little bit of lace. This is from Nana's Linen Closet, and added some gauze and one of the buttons from Elegant Edwardian Ladies. And this page is backed by lined, more coffee stained, paper doily. Again, this is from Nana's Linen Closet, and this one was, I believe, a freebie from the Tulip. I did not write that down on there, but I turned it into a little journaling spot. It was from the Tulip freebies that we did last year. That was a lot of fun. Pocket, center, and I cut the strings. I didn't leave them long. And there's an envelope in here, and this is, I used from Nana's Linen Closet and created a little paper swatch booklet. Different types of paper, a little bit of wallpaper, tea stained, music, some more tea stained, dot line paper, and this again was tulip paper. That was from when I made the Tulip book quite a while ago. There's a little bit left over. Tucks it there. And here's another fabric swatch, a little bit of lace and fabrics. And here's another little pearl dangle. And this is one of the journaling cards or embellishments in the kit, and I created a little pocket with it and one of the buttons again on a small tag with a label. Here's one of my coffee filter and paper doily pockets. In this one is a bit of that lace turned into a journaling card with a ticket and another one of those buttons. And that one does not go behind. I glued the whole thing down. But this one is a pocket also. And pretty little crocheted piece on the bottom of that. And another pocket. In here is one of the pages cut down and backed with, this is Sherri's coffee stained kit, I believe, and just did a little bit of hole punching there. edge punching. And on to the next signature. This one was really pretty. I made a ribbon with the gauze and then a little bit of this velvety rickrack, the word strong, and this very delicate little beaded dangle. And this is the flap for an envelope, and I used one of the doilies and cut it in half and used one of the buttons as embellishment on that. Here's one of the journaling cards from the collage paper. Make sure I'm in focus. This is another one of the coffee filter doilies, and I used a corner of the from Nana's Linen Closet, one of the crochet doilies, one of the other buttons, and this tag has a whale tail tab, the word beauty, which is part of the kit, and another piece of the crochet from Nana's Linen Closet. Excuse me. These are, I'm not sure if you've seen before, but I found these really cool things. They were not $1.99. I paid 50 cents for them. There's quite a few of them in here, and this is the third journal I think I've used them in. They're so fun. And of course it's green. Everybody knows I love green. This is one of the envelopes from the kit, and you just glue it together. There's nothing in this one. This is one of the labels from the kit, put onto the bottom there. And I fussy cut her out of one of the pages and placed her on this page. This was an altered paper clip that I made a long time ago. This is from Nana's Linen Closet. Really pretty piece of linen lace. And again, my tea-stained paper. Oops. This is from Nana's Linen Closet. And this is the center pocket again. This is all lined pocket. And here's a bingo card, a little bit altered, pieces of the tape. This was like a torn piece of note paper and the word history, part of the kit. Sorry, my throat is getting really dry right now. So it's getting a bit raspy. Sorry about that. That's the middle of the signature, and then here's an altered envelope. This is a bit of I think this is from Nana's Linen Closet, and some fabric roses on top. And in here, this was postcards, and I don't remember which kit it came in. I'll try to write that down in the description below. But this is Paris. And just did some stamping with a couple of my stamps on the back. And one of the embellishments, one of the buttons. That pops in there. And this is one of the digital pages just used as reinforcement for the envelope. And this is a die cut flower. I think it's Tim Holtz. And one of the tags. And I backed it with one of the lined pages. And this is just a small tag with the little bird stamp. And another one of the coffee filter doilies pockets. This one, actually, you can tuck behind. This is another one of the tags. This was a journaling card, and there was a bit of this lace, so I cut it out and laid it over top. It's the same thing as this here. And lined it with dot paper. This is just a little embellishment. And it's got the eyelet down below and some velvet ribbon. Here's the pocket. And here's another one of the journaling cards. Very simple. And the other pocket. And one of the tags with butterfly and some gauze. And in this pocket is just a journaling spot. Write down the date and notes. And this cover Hope and love, a little bit of gauze and some bling. And pocket again. This is a piece of very old blue velvet ribbon. And I absolutely love it. And then I use more of this sparkly lace on this. And this was actually a gift bag, and I really liked the pattern on it, so I went ahead and cut it apart and made it into a little tiny pocket. And this is from Nana's Linen Closet, backed with some of the lined paper. And this is just a index card I made quite a while ago, and it shows skirts, long one, short one. And this is an embellishment from the kit. I added some lace and some black shiny bling, and each tag has a word from the kit. And pocket, and some more of the journaling spot with that paper. The tea stain paper, coffee stain paper behind. Center of the signature, last signature. And another pocket. This one is just held on by a paper clip, and it is just for journaling. Or page decoration. And this is cute, I believe she's a famous actress or singer. I think she's a singer. And I used paper doily on a glassine envelope, and inside is more of that really pretty paper Sherri included with the kit. Sorry, kids are passing by the house, and my dog has to announce himself. No. It tucks in there and flips over, so you've got a little writing spot there. Some more lined paper from the kit. And this was one of my pockets from my stash. And I added an old vintage doily. It almost feels like velvet, however this is made. It's very pretty. And then some ribbon that has beads on it. And this is another one of the tags from the kit with a stamped butterfly. And this is from, I believe, the Tulips again. This book belongs to. And here is another it's pocket, envelope, and inside the envelope I've placed, I printed out the kit with the corners, the photo corners, on clear sticker paper, and also on, having a hard time with my words here, ladies, sorry about that, also on regular matte photo paper. So there's quite a few of them in there. These are the stickers, the little scraps of notebook paper, and all the words that I didn't use are cut and distressed, and they're in here for whoever gets this book to have a play with. And last pocket is this journaling card, and I did sew around the edges on this one also. And there you go. That is my design team project for Studio 28E. I do hope you enjoyed the little flip through. Leave me a comment. Please do subscribe to my channel, like my video, and I really appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much. Everyone have a wonderful day, and until the next video, bye for now.